Hey everyone, in today's video, we will show you how to use NordVPN with Utorrent to keep your connection private and secure while downloading files. This guide is all about protecting your data and online privacy. When we use Utorrent with NordVPN, we are securely using the Utorrent client while connected to a NordVPN server. This hides our IP address and encrypts our traffic. It stops our ISP from throttling our speed and keeps our identity safe during P2P file sharing. NordVPN is great for torrenting because it provides specialized P2P servers for faster and more anonymous downloads. The main reason we use NordVPN and Utorrent together is to protect our privacy and security while torrenting. It hides our IP address, encrypts our internet traffic, and stops our ISP or third parties from monitoring our downloads. It also helps us share files through P2P more safely and reliably. Let's go through the steps together in a simple way so everyone can follow along. First, open your NordVPN application. Connect to a server. Once connected, set up your connections. You can use P2P here for downloading, and NordVPN will pick the best server for torrenting. Next, open your Utorrent. Go to the upper right corner and choose Preferences, or press Ctrl+P. In Preferences, go to Connection. Here, you will find the connection details. We go to the proxy server section so we can torrent safely and connect it to our NordVPN. For the server type, select SOC-Satfumsiv, which is commonly used for connecting to a NordVPN server. Enter the port, proxy name, or your port as needed. You can also set up authentication with a username and password to connect to NordVPN. You can use proxy host name locals. When you finish configuring, click OK. Now we can download properly and securely without worry. With NordVPN connected, our activity is more private, and our connection stays protected while downloading or uploading files. Always make sure NordVPN is active before starting Utorrent and use P2P features responsibly. Stay secure and download safely.